Hey, what's up, sound system family? I am Jimmy Sequence, and I am here to talk about the different scoop boxes, bass boxes that exist. I happen to have the original JBL scoops from back in the 1980s. I had 16 of these scoops built by a builder in Miami called Hank from back in the 80s. So I had 16 of them. I sold 8. I still have 8. I love those. Those are the full size, 4 feet high by 30 wide by 30 deep. That's the original JBL scoop. And they are some of the most efficient speaker boxes I have. I love those scoops, and I personally believe those are some of the best scoops. Now, they have a lot of different scoops that are like smaller, and you know, they're scoops, but they're not the full size scoops, and I personally don't really love them. Some of them play decent, but I don't really love them. Now they have the super scoop. I have never used the super scoop, but I do know a lot of sound systems that have super scoops. I like the super scoops, but I still prefer the original JBL scoops. And then there are the Canadian scoops. You know, the Canadians are very, very popular. A lot of people are using the Canadian scoops. Those are actually quite good. Those are good, but again, I still think the original scoops are the best out there. Everyone's not going to agree with me because obviously, you know, everyone have the right to their own opinion. What I want you guys to do is jump into the comments, tell me which one of the scoops you have, and give me your opinion on the scoop that you have and how much you love it or not. I have the double 18s that I just got. I just got 8 new double 18s. They're supposed to be the Canadian scoops, but they're not fully Canadian scoops because they've been modified. They're longer, deeper, and narrower than the original scoop, but they're actually quite good. I played 4 of them the other day at the dance with me and Scorpio. I played 4 of the double 18s, and I actually love them a lot. It's not the same as the JBL scoop, but they give you a, you know, they're more like, they're very efficient, let's say that, and they're pretty good on the inside. I haven't heard them outside yet, but I love them inside. And yeah, they're really nice. They're pretty solid. So yeah, if you have Canadian scoop or super scoop or the original scoops, or the small size scoops, or the hog scoops, I know they have the hog scoops too, chime in, let me know what you think of the different scoops. Again, I'm going for the original JBL scoops. I have 12 W18s that are supposed to be Canadians, but they're not the original Canadians. My Canadians are actually longer, narrower, deeper than most of the scoops that I've seen. So they've been slightly modified, but they sound wicked. So whatever scoop you have, super scoop, Canadian scoop, hog scoop, mini scoop, jump in and let me hear. Tell me about it. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if there are any other boxes that you prefer over the standard dancehall sound system boxes, because I find most of the sound systems in dancehall in Jamaica and here are using one of the speakers that I mentioned, one of the boxes. The super scoop, the Canadian scoop, the hog scoop are the original scoops. That's usually what most people are using. So if you are using something different than the scoops and you love it, then jump in and let me hear about it. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about the different scoops, if you have used them, or if you know anyone that have them. All right, so again, thanks for watching. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and tell your friends about the channel. tell everybody to jump in and support the channel, because you don't know, channel can't build without people. And I'm gonna say again, thank you for the people that are supporting the channel, the people, the sound man them from all over the world, saying, big up yourself, respect to the people in Africa, Guyana, Jamaica, all the people that's reached out, New York, Connecticut, Philly, Atlanta. People reach out from all over. I'm just calling some names, see? So big up yourself. If you've reached out to me, if you've commented on the channel, if you've contributed to the channel in any way, respect. You're contributing by watching, so respect goes out to everyone anyway, see? Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the dancehall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.